Welcome. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to allow Facebook Web for pop-ups on your PC after the latest update. If you've been trying to log in, open chats, or connect accounts and those pop-ups keep getting blocked, don't worry. This simple walkthrough will fix it in just a few steps. Let's get started. First, open Facebook Web in your browser. Once the page is fully loaded, look up toward the top of your screen, right next to the web address. You'll see a small icon, usually a padlock or circle that says View Site Information when you click on it. Go ahead and click that. A small menu will appear. From there, find the option that says Settings and click it. This will open a new tab or side panel showing all the detailed settings for the Facebook website. Now, scroll down until you find the Permission section. Under Permissions, click on More Settings Permissions. This area controls what Facebook is allowed to do in your browser, like showing notifications or, in our case, pop-ups. Here's the key step. Find the option labeled Pop-ups. To the right of that, you'll see a small drop-down menu or toggle switch. Click it and choose Allow. Once you select that, your browser will save this preference automatically. No need to restart or reload just yet. Now, go back to your Facebook tab and refresh the page. Try performing the action that previously it triggered the blocked pop-up, like logging into a linked app or opening a chat window. You should see the pop-up appear normally this time. That's all it takes. You've just allowed Facebook Web to show pop-ups on your PC. It's a small adjustment that saves a lot of frustration, especially when connecting accounts or accessing important features. If this video helped you, remember to give it a thumbs up and share it with friends who might need the same fix. Thanks for watching.